Hi, very warm welcome for our new session, my dear friends. Today, I am come up with a very exciting information for you. Majority of CMA friends are not aware. We EduHome Connect are very proud to share with you that those students who are following us through Instagram, those who are following through YouTube, they might have been aware that we were predicting question paper every attempt. So I want to share you a very important information for the students who are preparing for upcoming December 25 exam. See, do you know our institute CMA are coming up with a standard question format? Do you know what is the paper weightage for each? Do you know what is the topic weightage for each subject? Yes, there will be lot of confusion for you. We are showing you a clear cut picture on how you have to prepare your next 4 months for your CMA exam. There are some chapters where you have to take a very low effort or minimum number of days preparation, but you can able to get a maximum score in those area. We are going to discuss those topic today, friends. So I don't want to take this in a lengthy way. We are straight away going to the discussion. See, we at EduHome, through our Telegram page, through our Instagram page, we were we were releasing ICMA question paper decoding series. This is already done for June 2025. So here we are just analyzing what is the pattern of question paper so that you can able to prepare very well for your CMA exam. I know a lot of students are studying very hard, but when the result came, they are not able to get the maximum expected mark what they are going to get it. Really, it is very disappointing because students are working 10 hours, 8 hours on studies and taken their full effort after the sleepless night. But when the result came, they are not getting the expected mark or they are not able to cross the 200 mark. So we at EduHome Connect, we feel that every individual have their own skills and ability. So the personalized support is required for every students. That is a main motto about the EduHome Connect. So what we are bringing in this short session is, we are going to give you group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, each one paper, a series where we are going to predict the question paper of your December 25 and we are giving you proper how to plan for your studies so that you can able to prepare with a full confidence and you can able to crack the exam. I know you are ready. I am straight away going with a group 1. My dear friends, group 1, you will generally your class maybe start with material cost, then it will go to labor cost, overhead, like that. Maybe it end up with budgeting or marginal costing. But do you know the exam weightage, my dear friends? Your exam weightage I'm going to predict, which is going to happen in December. It is nothing a bigger deal. Institute is already released a model test paper for every exam and they are very clear cut with the pattern. So you have to understand that before you plan your 4 months. So my dear friends, if you are planning your studies, I am going to discuss one by one. First, I am going to come up with a question pattern. So here I am discussing the session mainly for the descriptive pattern, that is 5 out of 7 questions. We have to answer 5 questions out of 7. Are you ready, friends? I am ready. Hope you are also ready. So let us start with question number 2. See, question number 2, we have two sections, 2A and 2B. See, this will come from either material, labor and cost sheet. That means one question generally will be cost sheet. Second question either material or labor. This is what the trend of your exam. So cost sheet chapter is one of the very good weightage chapter. You have to be focused on that. See, in material chapter, you will learn a lot of concept, EOQ, stores ledger. Then you are also learning about the different stores level, maximum, minimum. When it comes to labor chapter, you have to remember a lot of formula. Everything comes maximum 7 mark only. Whereas on cost sheet alone, you will get 7. Coming into next question, you will have overhead. So overhead is a very weightage chapter. One chapter alone you will get what? 7. Coming to B part, either of the one topic will come, either profit reconciliation or integrated, non-integrated or non-integrated. Sometime job costing, batch costing. Sometime batch costing will come here also. So either of the option, that is operating costing or batch or job costing. So this is how the exam pattern we predicted for the exam. Same thing happened. You can check our Telegram page. I will also attach the Telegram page in the chat box. The same thing, whatever we predicted, your students are able to get it. I'm very happy thinking that after the exam, students are keep on texting us, sir, thank you for the exam decoding so that we are able to get it. So don't worry, for this December also, we are going to come up with the next 4 months full of content. Each chapter, each topic, full strategies we are going to give. And we are going to make a separate Telegram channel for CMA Inter and CMA Final, where we are going to give daily content. So I wish to follow this YouTube page so that you can able to get the updates very frequently. Now coming to discussion, after the profit reconciliation, you can go for question number 4, operating costing. In operating costing, mostly it will come transport question, otherwise hotel question. Sometimes batch question also will come. Last exam they came batch costing. Then contract costing is a ditto costing. Definitely it will come for exam 7 marks. Then you have process costing, either more chance of process costing 30%, joint product 30. So what is 70-30? That is once in 4 exam, 3 time process costing, 1 time joint costing. That is a proportion. Are you clear? Then standard costing, then marginal costing. See the weightage, 14 mark is for marginal costing. Then you have budgeting and 1 question from cost accounting standard. Even theory also we are predicting. Question number 8 is a theory where introduction chapter 1 question, material chapter 1 question, CES. This is how we were predicted, and very happy to inform you that same way question came for your exam. So what I have to inform you that, see, you can also check it. If any doubt, I have your recent question paper also with me. See, you take your paper 8, see here, same pattern only. We will have a lot of predicting series upcoming days. So please follow the page. We'll come up with the same. See, first question, it came for what? 7 mark cost sheet question. Next comes, one second, June 2025 cost accounting paper. See, the first question, it came from cost sheet only, as I always told. See, this is the cost sheet question. This is similar to your study material question. Coming next day came labor question. See, this is the labor question, Halsey wage, Rowan wage. How interesting. Coming next day, overhead chapter. Same way we predicted. Next comes the chapter called, yes, cost sheet. You have to prepare profit reconciliation, not cost sheet, profit reconciliation, statement of reconciliation of profit. The next, as I told, it came with cost sheet, that is batch costing. Then pakka question from contract costing, then joint costing, same thing. Labor overhead, see 14 mark from marginal costing. So whatever we predicted only will come by difference, because we having close to 20 years of experience and a team of faculty. See here, if you gone through our AER1, Rishabh is part of the team now. He's Rishabh Oswal is part of the team. Then Deepak, he's a rank holder. He's a chartered accountant by profession. He's also a team member. Then a lot of experienced faculties are coming in the panel, where they are giving their experience of serving the students. So why you want to think? Now coming to next subjects, group 2. We, in every video, we'll take one subject. So today I'm going to cover group 1 cost accounting. Now group 2 management accounting. Group 2 management accounting also very, very easy, predictable paper. We have to give best thanks to the institute, because they made this is a 100 mark paper. They made this as a 100 mark paper, my dear friend. Earlier, this was a 50 mark paper, costing 50, FM 50. Now it is a 100 mark. See why I say thanks for the institute, because see, you have to make a lesser preparation. Even costing also, I want to tell you one small strategy. See, if you learn chapter like budgeting, 7 mark, 14 mark, here 7 mark, 7 mark, 7 mark, all put together, you know what is a mark? 28 plus 14, you will get what? 42 marks. Plus MCQ 30, 72 marks. See the wonder. Learn 4 chapter MCQ, but I don't suggest that. But we have a separate 4 months dedicated support plan for you. So what I have to tell you, that strategy is there if it is anything happen, because sometimes you won't able to crack some chapter. There are some area. See the questions of cost sheet or very easily cracking area only. So continue with the management accounting. See the perspective. We have 28 mark weightage. We have 28 mark weightage from decision making or marginal costing. So I will tell you, some friends will tell, sir, this part is very tough, sir. Lengthy question is coming, very advanced question is coming. I feel very difficult. Don't worry. You have to rate 5 out of 7 only. See, you can able to get a budgeting question. Generally, 5A is a budgeting, 6 is a standard costing. So this is very predictable, 14 mark. You will get EVA. Sometime it will come ROE, RA also. That is professional performance. So EVA or ROE, RA. So here comes 7 mark. Balance scorecard or learning mark 7 mark. Decision theory another 7 mark theory. So here also 7 mark. Then here also you can get 14 mark. So you can able to rate all the 14 mark. That means if you left out the entire marginal costing, including transfer pricing, still you can able to rate all the 5. But I don't suggest that, because this third question will be little lengthy, but the fourth question will be 7 mark. That will be cracking question. So we have to learn it. For that, we have to practice as many questions. What mistake students are doing this third and fourth option is that they are not practice question much beyond than group 1. Because students will learn first group 1, then will come to group 2. They will stick on to the concept of group 1. Group 1 may be formula based direct question, but group 2 is a application. They will ask questions on make or buy. They will ask questions on shutdown decision. They will ask questions on expansion of a business. They will ask question on managerial evaluation proposal, product mix decision, key factor analysis. So you have to know application level knowledge here, so that you have to practice more question. So we have a correct time plan. If you execute that, you can able to state some success. And we are very happy to make you get passed also. So I know if you refer the same thing, nothing to worry. Some friends are telling, sir, I want to see the previous year question. Don't worry, you see here, same pattern, same thing, what I predicted only will come. See, first question, ditto, what we predicted only will come. Nothing else. First question, introduction theory. Second is activity-based costing. Third one, it is coming from 14 mark essay from marginal costing. 4 years, 7 mark marginal costing. Fifth one is a budgeting question. Sixth one is a standard costing. See how interesting. Even seventh one, I told ROE or EVA, ROE question. 7B is a balance scorecard question. 8 again, decision tree question. See. Then 8B also we told it's a responsibility accounting theory. So question paper is predictable. Chapter weightage is predictable. Then why you worry on your exam preparation if a team like all India rank holders, toppers are there? You don't want to worry at all. So I know there are some final students are eagerly waiting. Sir, why don't you help us? You can give clue for us. Yes. Please be hold on Inter students. I want to make a big announcement for you at the end. So Inter students also want to continue this. So coming into final level, I am starting with SCM. See, my dear friends, SCM and all, I don't say anything at all. Because if you see the question pattern or ICMA material say 800, 900 page, nothing to worry. Simplified. What we predicted question paper in June 25, same pattern, same thing came. See, what is speciality of this prediction? The speciality of prediction, you know what is the speciality? You can check out Telegram page. Before the exam, we release this paper prediction. The benefit of this paper prediction is nothing but you can able to manage your studies well. Time management is well. You know which is highest weightage topic, how to practice. In the coming days, we'll come up with all the other subjects and we'll also tell you which are all the questions important in each topic. So I don't want to predict much. So I want to directly go to this cost management point. See, first one will be decision making. That is a 14 mark application, marginal costing CVP order question. 3B is a transfer pricing. Again, marginal costing question. 4A activity based costing. Sometime if you are very lucky, backflush costing or JIT and all will come, but mostly activity based costing is coming. Here will come theory. 5-1 14 mark standard costing. Here 14 mark networking question. One assignment or transportation or LLP. Either of the one will come. Generally transportation or assignment comes. Simulation. See the predictable 14 mark networking, 14 mark standard costing, 7 mark simulation, 7 mark activity based costing, 7 mark transfer pricing. So see 14, 14, 28, 28 plus 14. See the predictable close to 50 mark from 5 topic. Why you want to worry 900 page material at all when Visual Connect is there for you? Nothing to. See, SEM and all, if you properly practice, you can able to score 80 plus, my dear friends. You have to practice. Time management is important. Now, group 2, I am very happy to share that our students are able to score maximum exemption in cost and management audit because of one and only strategy. Because cost audit, they feel that, sir, how to learn cost accounting standard, cost auditing standard, money laundering, what of that topic are there, sir, what to do? Nothing you have to remember. You have to just to follow our techniques. This is the point. Module 1, 2, 3 will have a 14 mark question. Then again another 14 mark question. Then module 6, 7, 8, that is XBRL. Then filing of cost audit XBRL. Then cost audit program, or maybe cost audit documentation, there come one question. Then CAS problem. See, CAS problem itself will come 14 mark question. See, in your study material, ICMA study material itself, there is only what? Minimum number of questions. What is my minimum number of questions? Around 10 questions. 10, 15 questions, keep on asking 14 mark rotation. Profit reconciliation or validation, keep on asking. So 21 mark is ready. See, here you will get management audit. Forensic audit, we predicted same forensic audit only came. Here again, management audit 14 mark. Here you will have 14 mark from internal control. So please keep follow us in Telegram and our social media pages, where we are going to come up with a important questions, important problem in each of these topics. Each of these topics will give you frequently asked questions in prevention of money laundering. We'll come up with prevention of important questions in management audit. We'll come up with important questions of reconciliation for you. So you can also be able to get the maximum benefit. See, what all you know this, you have to test your process. You have to check whether you are performing very well or not. For that, you have to practice. We EduHome Connect is able to support you in your practice. We have come up with a very good number of test series. So in this test series, we are coming up with a for your CMA, which start from, if it is intermediate or final, whatever the paper, any subject you take, it start with 0 rupees. Brown's plan, we are giving with 0 rupees. No cost at all, free, every subject. That is, we will give you MCQ access. How MCQs are tested, chapter-based MCQ, combined MCQ, everything. Here in Silver Plan, we'll give you full access on MCQ. So I suggest every student, see, you can follow whether you are going for a class or your classes is complete or everything. Whether you're joining with EduHome Connect or you're going with anywhere, you have to practice your preparation level. See, Olympic record is not happening in one day. Usain Bolt is running 100 meter or 200 meter relay, is not happened in one day. There is a practice is involved. My dear friends, when you look at these numbers, I am telling this for group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, all students. When you look up these numbers, it's easy, standard costing, budgeting. But this kind of preparation, students will prepare, but it come to exam hall, they feel a new model question. They don't know how to present the question. They don't know how to manage the timing. So that you have to practice questions. You have to get variety number of questions. You have to get mentorship support. You have to get individual attention. We have very n number of good plan where we are giving each subject at an affordable price. Start from 0 and the maximum price is what? 999. So what I request you that, see, if you can afford any of this plan, you can able to follow. I can assure you that it's a worthwhile. We are coming up with all India rank holders, myself, Rishabh, Deepak, and the entire team is coming up with you exciting content daily basis. We will give you a test. We are keep on updating test. See, we set a benchmark that is par. And you know the dashboard we are giving. See, in here, if you go through here in our dashboard, see, if I am just making some example where you can able to understand the dashboard and all. See, in this dashboard, if you go through, see, you can able to understand what is the test you written, how many tests you written. Even you can have access of your exams. If you written any MCQs, you can able to test what is the MCQ mark you scored over the test you have written. You can access it anytime, anywhere. See, if I just go into this question, I am just opening some question, marginal costing question. Anytime if you written, you can able to write what is the test, what is the number of question. If you take in question based analysis, you will be able to understand what is the mark you scored in each question. What is a negative mark? What is the impact? Everything you are able to get it from here. What is the correct answer? If you feel that there is any error in your question, you can also report the question. Even written test also we have. We can very proudly say that we are coming with a written test in online format, where you can able to download the question paper and you can upload. So you can download the question paper here. So this is the cost audit one question paper. We are coming with ICMA pattern. You will have an MCQ question, then you have a descriptive model question. So the main specialty is what you know, my dear friends. The moment you upload your answer, you will get your final answer. Suggested answer also you will get it. So I don't want to push much on that. What I have to tell you that, see, you are valuable 6 months. The word CMA, if you want before your name, the proud word, 3 letters, you have to prepare. You have to go with a smart preparation strategy. So please do follow in social media platform. We will be come up with you exciting sessions. See, here in our social media platform, we are also updating daily basis training opportunity for the students. We are coming with the opportunities of training in different area. We are keep on coming. So keep on following us on social media. We are coming with a majorly asked Q&A. Whatever students are asking, rating both group, what is the benefit? Lot of Q&A series. So lot of information is coming. You are a chartered accountant. You are thinking of a practice. Information is coming. So what I request you that if you come up with our page in EduHome Connect page, there is a special dedicated area for webinar where you can able to get a webinar content free of cost. Lot of videos we are coming up with the webinar content. See, if you are come up with here, if you click here webinars, CMA course, if you click here, intermediate webinar are there, strategies are there. This will keep on continuing. For December exam, we are keeping as many webinar free of cost for students. Final level it is there. Now we are coming with the CA final, CA inter, all the subjects. So when a team of faculties are ready to help you, don't need to get demotivated. You can pass this time. See, whatever gone is gone. Now we have to make a strat preparation. We have to crack this December exam at any cost. So understand the question pattern. Make a proper study plan. And consistency is very, very important. What happens now? आज आस्ताफ सर का वीडियो आ गया, मोटिवेट हो गया. We have to be ourselves motivated daily basis. Whenever you wake up in the morning, you have to come up with such a way that CMA, that 3 words must be there in your mind. And you have to go with your study plan. Whatever happened, Asia Cup is coming, Coolie movies released it. Whatever happened, it should not bother you. I'm not telling that you should stay away from social media, not like that. But if you want plan to allot 8 hours for your preparation, please allot that 8 hours for preparation. That is what in by consistency. I don't say you have to work for 8 hours. I don't say you have to work for 12 hours. But be prepared very well. So try these freebies we are provided in our website. If you are affordable, you can go for premium plan. We will be there support for you. Nothing else, follow us in YouTube page. We will make some of the content public to all of you. So hope to come up with the exciting videos in the coming days. Wish you all the best. We'll meet you in the next session. Till then, signing off. God bless you, my dear friends.